Welcome to Libas El Arab. In today's video, we explore the timeless elegance of Arabic fashion, focusing on three iconic garments: the hijab, the kaftan, and the abaya. These pieces go far beyond clothing. They carry deep cultural significance, centuries of history, and evolving modern designs. In this video, we will understand where these garments came from, how they are worn today, and what makes them important in the world of modest fashion. Stay with me as we take a complete journey through tradition, style, practicality, and modern trends. The hijab is one of the most recognized symbols of modest fashion in the Arab and Muslim world. While many people think of the hijab only as a head covering, its meaning is much wider. The word hijab refers to modesty, privacy, and dignity. Traditionally, women wore the hijab to present themselves in a respectful and modest manner in public. Over time, the hijab evolved into a fashion statement while maintaining its cultural purpose. Today, a variety of hijab fabrics are available, including chiffon, georgette, jersey, silk, and cotton. Each fabric offers its own level of comfort and drape, allowing women to match their hijab with their outfit, weather, or personal preferences. There are also countless hijab styles. The classic wrap remains the most common, but newer styles, such as the Turkish wrap, the Kuwaiti style, and the layered Emirati style, have gained popularity. These styles differ in volume, structure, and form, and the way the fabric frames the face. Accessories also play a major role. Undercaps, magnetic pins, brooches, and hijab rings help women secure their hijab and enhance their overall look. Modern hijab fashion blends tradition with creativity without compromising modesty. The kaftan has a long history dating back to ancient Mesopotamia and the Ottoman Empire. It was originally worn by royalty and nobility because of its luxurious fabrics and detailed embroidery. Today, the kaftan remains one of the most elegant garments in Arabic culture. A kaftan is recognized by its loose fit, long sleeves, and flowing silhouette. It allows for comfort while maintaining a regal appearance. In Morocco, the kaftan is a symbol of national identity and is often worn during weddings, celebrations, and special gatherings. Moroccan kaftans are known for their handcrafted embroidery, gold threads, beads, and the famous sfifa trimming. In the Gulf region, kaftans have taken on modern interpretations. Designers experiment with minimalistic cuts, lightweight fabrics, and monochrome colors. The purpose is to create a blend of traditional elegance with contemporary simplicity. Kaftans are also ideal for plus-size and curvy women due to their flattering drape. The loose structure enhances the body's natural shape while offering comfort. This is one reason why kaftans remain a favorite choice across cultures and generations. The abaya is one of the strongest cultural symbols in the Gulf countries. Traditionally black, long, and flowing, the abaya was designed to ensure modesty and privacy. Over the years, the abaya has undergone a transformation and has become a global fashion item. Modern abayas come in different cuts, such as umbrella abayas, butterfly abayas, kimono-style abayas, open abayas, pleated designs, and two-piece sets. Designers use fabrics like nita, zoom, velvet, satin, linen, and crepe to achieve various levels of luxury and comfort. One major evolution in abaya fashion is the introduction of colors. While black remains classic, shades like beige, mocha, gray, emerald, navy, and dusty rose have become extremely popular. These colors offer modesty while allowing personal expression. Abayas also feature intricate embellishments, including crystal work, hand embroidery, lace borders, pearl arrangements, and metallic details. Despite these modern touches, the abaya still carries its traditional meaning: dignity, modesty, and cultural identity. For curvy and plus-size women, the abaya provides one of the most body-friendly silhouettes. Its loose, flowing structure enhances elegance while offering coverage and confidence. Designers now offer tailored plus-size abayas that maintain a balanced shape without compromising comfort. The growth of global interest in modest fashion has brought hijabs, kaftans, and abayas into the international spotlight. Social media platforms, modest fashion influencers, and global designers have contributed to this evolution. Muslim women today can express their identity while enjoying diverse fashion choices. The combination of tradition and modern design allows women to maintain modesty while embracing their personal style. High-end designers and luxury brands also recognize the value of modest fashion. Many international fashion houses have released modest collections featuring abaya-inspired cuts, kaftan silhouettes, and hijab-friendly outfits. This global acceptance shows the growing appreciation for Arabic fashion heritage. When choosing a hijab, fabric and weather are the first considerations. Lightweight chiffon is ideal for warm climates, while jersey and pashmina are better for winter. Face shape also influences style. For example, round faces benefit from more structured drapes. For kaftans, the occasion is important. Embellished kaftans work best for weddings and celebrations, while plain kaftans suit daily wear. A kaftan should also allow free movement without losing its elegant shape. When selecting an abaya, focus on fabric, length, and sleeve style. For daily use, simple crepe abayas are practical. For formal events, satin or embroidered abayas create a luxurious appearance. Always choose a length that lightly touches the ground without dragging. Hijabs, kaftans, and abayas are more than fashion pieces. They represent identity, modesty, history, and cultural pride. Wearing these garments respectfully preserves traditions passed down through generations. Understanding their roots helps us appreciate the beauty behind each design. Thank you for watching this detailed exploration of hijabs, kaftans, and abayas. I hope this video helped you understand the rich history, cultural value, and modern evolution of these iconic garments. If you enjoyed the information and want more videos about Arabic fashion, stay connected with Libas Al Arab.